Dornier Do-17, German bomber and reconnaissance aircraft from the Second World War, also used as a night fighter, manufactured in the Dornier Flugzeugwerk plant. Due to the characteristic shape of the hull, it was called pencil by the crews. Used by the Luftwaffe at the beginning of World War II as one of the three basic types of twin-engine bombers. The slightly modified version was the Dornier Do-215, followed by the Dornier Do-217. In 1933, the Dornier Company began the project of a high-speed twin-engine aircraft to meet the requirements of Luftwaffe, the result of which was the Dornier Do-17. This design was to compete with the competing Heinkel He-70, so the middle section of the fuselage was built in such a way as to be as low drag as possible. Aerodynamic. Due to the oval cross-section of the Do-17's slender fuselage, it gained the nickname of the Flying Pencil. Initially, after First World War, the Treaty of Versailles forbade Germany to have military aircraft. After the rise to power and the strengthening of the Nazis in Germany in the early 1930s, the rapid modernization of military aviation began, commissioning virtually all manufacturers to develop new structures that could be adapted for military purposes, officially not bombers, but linear passenger planes or by postage. A new class of aircraft, created in Germany at that time, was the fast bomber, which was a light machine characterized by high speed, enabling escape from fighters. In order to test this type of design, Luftwaffe ordered several types of machines, referred to as mail planes, characterized by small dimensions, high speed and range. The design work resulted in Heinkel He-70, Focke-Wulf Fe-200, and the Dornier Do-17. During the September campaign in 1939, Dornier Do-17 planes constituted the backbone of the German long-distance reconnaissance fleet. 22 squadrons were equipped with Do-17 P-1 aircraft, and 1 squadron with Do-17 F-1, a total of 216 machines. At the same time, 160 aircraft in the Do-17 M1 bomber versions, and 212 in the Do-17 Z1 and Do-17 Z2 versions were used.